YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. And today, something came in the mail. Something came in the mail. Hey, stick with me. Before I show y'all what's in this box, make sure you click that like, that comment, and subscribe. And I'm also going to show a haircut that I did earlier this week. So stick in tune for that. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in this box. Let's go. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.
Hold up, D-Young. This you?
for the moment y'all been waiting for.
One layer means simple.
Oh,
2 layers,
good.
2 or 3.
You got the Capri Suns.
That's the first part of the name.
I don't know what it is, but
You do know what it is.
I really don't.
4 of them that you have to know.
I wasn't expecting nothing.
6 that will include this name.
Just go and do,
So simple or stratified?
like, literally it came in today.
A little simple and stratified still. Then you will have to consider
I don't know what it is. Oh,
which is flat.
man, it's kind of heavy too. Kind of heavy. It feel a little heavy. What's your name? It feel kind of heavy.
That is heavy.
Yeah, that just feel like a brick. And that's
Don't say a
low.
brick. It's heavy.
Now I'm supposed to slide it out. Hey, FadeMasterLos, 2020 has been a challenging year. The pandemic has impacted us all, and yet you've done something that very few barbers on the cut have been able to accomplish. You booked more than 3,000 appointments throughout the entire year, which is incredible. Each and every client you serve is grateful for your commitment and dedication to your craftsmanship. You've taken your time to give your clients amazing haircuts while providing excellent service and experience. You achieved this milestone with hard work and perseverance. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all the work you've done this year with the Top Barber Award. The Top Barber Award, a token of our pride and respect. We can't wait to see your accomplished next. Congratulations.
Much love.
Dang. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's an award from the Cut app. The Cut. FadeMasterLos. Your excellence in barbering. Congratulations on surpassing 3,000 appointments in 2020. Receiving an award, especially when you don't expect one. First of all, I want to say I appreciate the Cut app for being the best booking app for barbers, the #1 booking app for barbers. I appreciate them for creating the app, using it, making it as great and easily usable as possible. When I tell you it made my business so much more organized by having the Cut. I'm just grateful for them to give me an award for just doing what I normally do, and that's cut hair, you know, being a barber. So let's give them a round of applause for the Cut app. And yeah, I really felt appreciated with this award, especially since I wasn't expecting that. I'm definitely gonna put it up, and I'm gonna value it, and I'm gonna try to do more numbers in 2021. 2020 was a year of a pandemic. 3,000 appointments in a year of a pandemic is definitely outstanding. But the workflow and the grind that I got, I want to strive for more. So I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. And I appreciate y'all for liking this video. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.